Hi all, welcome to our Maverick Market project demonstration. So this Android application was built to ease shopping experience mainly for Maverick students. They can view their profiles, browse products, make purchases and handle the returns efficiently. Furthermore, adding on to it, there is admin side as well, which manages all these categories, products and return requests. So firstly, let's dive into this very first page, that is login page. It has two other features, that is forgot password and if you don't have an account you can register. So let's just go to this register first. We'll register with new user email and password. Say for now the name I'm gonna give is Anushri. Email ID is going to be my personal email ID, anushribhat357@gmail.com. Okay, and coming to password, so for password it is say for now I'll just give one password. Okay, so after typing in all the fields, we just supposed to click on this register button. So once after registration is successful, you are navigated back to this Maverick Market login page. So let's just try to sign in using that email and password. So we supposed to type email as the username anushribhat357 and password was something like this. Oh, authentication failed, so probably I forgot the password. So let's just click on this forgot password option. No need to worry, we just supposed to enter the email ID anushribhat357@gmail.com and here we go. If you click on the send button, password reset email is going to be sent. Okay, so let's just go to my I'm just going to my email box and checking for it. Yes, here you go. So you get this reset your password for our application link. So you just supposed to click on that link. Okay, so after clicking on that link, you'll be popped up with this alert box saying type for new password. So let me just reset my password. Okay, so okay, my @123. Okay, I have reset my password, never for this website. So you can just now sign in with your new password to that application. Let me go back to that application. So over here, let me type the new password that I have set. Okay, login, authentication is successful and here we go. So this is how the user's dashboard screen looks, and here you have all these features like profile, search, categories, wish list, shopping cart, view orders, events, returns and logout. So let me just go to this profile page at the very beginning. So here in the profile page you will be able to see all these fields and you have to fill all these fields for the better placement of the orders and order management, because only if you type the address you can order. So let me just type in all the required fields. This is my personal information. So for now let me just give some random date of birth. Okay, alright, and the 10-digit phone number, some random phone number. Okay, yeah, and coming to this address detail, let me just give some address details. Say 27 Greek Road Drive, address line 2 takes Frisco, 1000 Frisco, Texas 76020. Okay, country say USA. So we can all type in all the fields basically, and for better user interface, we have also added the icons representing each field. So state is going to be Texas, city is going to be say Frisco, and the pin code is going to be 76020. Okay, so after typing in all the fields, this personal information as well as address details, you just have to do save changes. So once when you click on save changes, you can see that notification profile added successfully. So you can just come back to my profile just to check if all the details like personal information and address information are saved properly. Just click on this profile and all the details are efficiently affected here. Okay, so let me just navigate back and go to the next feature, that is categories. So after going to categories, we'll go to this search feature. So let's go to this categories. So for now we have 3 categories, that is books, electronics and scantrons. And each categories contains a list of products. For example, let's just go to this electronics category. So we do have these products available in this electronics categories like Bluetooth speaker, MacBook, Echo Dot and 8 pods. So all these products are fetched with the help of Firebase database and Firestore database and Firestore storage system. So let me just say I'm a user and I want to take this Echo Dot for my personal usage or something. So I want to order this Echo Dot product. So let me just click on this item Echo Dot, and for now they haven't added the description for this Echo Dot. Usually we have provided this product name, description as well as price. So let me just go to the Bluetooth speaker or AirPods. So for all these items basically we have added Echo Dot, description and price. So say for now I want to take this Echo Dot, so let me just do add to cart. Product added to cart successfully option is going to be provided, and let me just come back. Let me just go to books category. So let me just go to this advanced details. So over here as well you have 2 buttons, that is add to cart and wish list. So for now let me just add this to wish list because I want to buy it later. So let me just move this item to wish list. Okay, and let's say I want to take this computer science notebook as well. So let me just click on this item. Here you can see the product details and add to cart. Okay, once the product is successfully added, let's just come back. Okay, and let's just go to the wish list and see what are all the items that I have placed for wish list. Okay, so advanced algorithms was the notebook that I have placed for wish list. So over here we can actually move it to the cart or remove it from the wish list, that I no more want to buy this item. So for now let me just move this item to the cart. So move to cart. So once the item was clicked, item move to cart notification is provided and that item is going to be removed from this wish list. Okay, let me just show you guys how actually that remove button also works in this wish list. So for that let's just add one more item to the wish list. Okay, this time let's not navigate to this category section, let's go to the search product. So using search functionality we can actually type the product name and click on search, and here you go, you will be provided with those product details. Okay, so after showing these product details, again you are provided with 2 buttons, add to cart and wish list. So let me just add it to wish list. So product added successfully to wish list. So let me just go back and let me just go to wish list. Yes, here you can see that product. Okay, so move to cart option has been we have already gone through this move to cart option. So let me just show you this remove button, remove functionality. So if I want to remove this OMR from my wish list and I don't want it to be moved to the cart, so let me just click on this remove item. So item removed from wish list. So let me just go back. So we have covered till now profile, search, categories and wish list features in our dashboard. So now let's just dive into the other features of our dashboard. So starting with shopping cart. So these are the items that I have added to the shopping cart. These are the 3 items present in my cart. Say I don't want to buy advanced algorithms notebook. So what should I do? So I should also be provided with an option like remove, right? So here we have provided this remove feature. So you just have to go to that particular item and that item's remove button, you just have to click on it and that item will be removed from your cart. It's as easy as it is. So whatever items are present in my cart, yes, I want to order all those items, and let me just click on this place order button that is present at the end of this page. So once when I click on this place order is going to be placed successfully. And wait a minute, where can I see like okay, what are all the items that I have ordered, right? So for that you have to navigate back and you have to click on this view orders option. Okay, so from the dashboard's view order option, you will be navigated to order history, wherein you will be able to see what are all the orders you have made and what's the total cost of it. Okay, so these are the 2 items that I have ordered till now, and this is the total cost of it. Let me just come back and okay, now say they have sent me my order, they have sent the product to my address, and I feel like one of the product is not so good and I want to place a return request. So how do we do that? So just go to this view orders again, and this was your order history, and we have also provided you this return button for whatever ordered items you want to return. Okay, say I want to place a return request for this echo dot. Okay, this item I just don't like it and I want to place return request for it. So you will get a notification called as return request submitted, and as soon as you click on this return request, that button is going to be disabled because you cannot place a return request anymore for that item once a return request has been placed. So let me just go back. So return request has been placed, and how an admin approves or rejects those return requests, I'll be showing it to you soon. So after that, like once after placing that return request, now I have to see, oh wait, which all item I have placed return request for, right? So I have to navigate to returns section. So over here you will be able to see which item has been returned, for which item the return request has been placed, right? So you will be provided with that product image, product name, and the return status. So for now the return status is pending, hence it is prompted using yellow color. Okay, once if the return status is approved, it will be showed in like green color, and if the return status is rejected, it will be showed in red color. We will be looking into it soon. So let me just come back and let me just show how this events features. For now, okay, this admin has posted one event called as grad walk, and we have taken a random image. We will be posting an appropriate image and we will be showing it soon. Okay, for now this is the event posted by admin, and all the events are going to be posted in this page. Okay, so coming back, so this is how the users are going to be updated even for the events what all is happening in the campus. So let me just click on the logout feature and let me just take you through this admin functionality. Click on logout. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes. Okay, so for now we have created a dummy admin account. So with admin@example.com and admin@123 password, login. So authentication successful. So he has these features like category, products, events, returns, and logout. So let me just start with category. Once when you click on the category, you will be provided with option like add category. You have to click on add category and category name. Say I want to add the category called as journals. Okay, and if you click on the add category, category will be added successfully. And let me just go back to the admin's dashboard. That category will be visible in added category will be visible in users dashboard. Excuse me. So let me just take you to the next functionality, that is product. So similar to add category, we can add product as well. So let me just do add product, and name of the product is going to be say journal refillable notebook. All right. Description is going to be say it's just refillable notebook. Okay, and it's made with leather binding. Okay, so after that we supposed to provide the image link. So for now that image link I have stored it in fire storage, and that link I have taken a note here. Okay, so let me just copy this, and paste it here. Okay, so what was the category? Category was journals. Okay, and price was say $15. Okay, click on add. So product will be added successfully. Let me just come back, and what else the admin can do is posting an event. Okay, so let me just go to events and let's type the event name as say Big Howdy. Okay, event date is say December 15th, 2024, and say the event place is UC Hall. Okay, coming to image URL, as just like add product, we have saved those images in file storage. So, and this is the access token for it, so I'm just copying the access token of it and pasting the image URL. Here you go, and click on this post event. Event will be posted successfully. So these are all the things that the admin can do. He has an access to add products, add categories, add events, and yes, one important thing is do returns management. Now what is this returns management? So from if you guys remember, from user's account anushribhat357@gmail.com, echo.request return request was sent, right? So that is going to be reflected here. So the admin can either accept or reject all these user return requests. Okay, so these are only the pending return requests are going to be shown here. Okay, so these are all the return requests made by different users, and let me just accept and reject few return requests. Okay, for example, Anushri's return request I am going to accept, and Sam's user request I am going to reject. Okay, so once that is done, after doing all these return requests processing, admin can just navigate back and he can log out. So these were all the features of admin. So let me just log out and let me just show those added category and added product and added events from user's account as well. So let me just take you back to user's account. So password was my mav23, login. Authentication successful. Let me just check on events firstly. Yes, so Big Howdy, oh oops, it has become Big Howdy, it's Big Howdy. So Big Howdy event was added by admin, and that is being reflected over here with all the timings and place details for users. Okay, so let me just navigate back and let me just check what happened to my return request from user's perspective. Yes, so since we accept admin has accepted the return request, so hence the status is accepted and it is popped up in green in color. Okay, so let me just check if the categories is reflected, because admin has added new category called as journals. Okay, yes, the category is reflected, and let me just check if admin also added the product in journals category. So let me just go to this journals category. Oh, so probably that product is not added. Oh yes, now I get to know why. That's because category, there was no category called as journal, right? Because I have added wrong spelling here for journals. That is the reason that add product was not successful. Okay, so let me just once search if that product is present. Journal refillable book, or else like what we can do is we can just log out. We can just go to admin side again, admin@example.com, admin@123, login, and let me just add that product correctly. Name is say journal, journals book. Description, let me say simply leather, it's made up of leather. Hope people will just understand. Image link is this. Okay, and paste it here. Category is journals, or else like let me just go to well-known category called as books. Price is going to be $15. Add. Okay, log out. Let me just take you to this another user's account, user@example.com, user@123. Log in and let me just go to categories, books, and yes, here you go, journals book is present. Okay, this is how the admin is able to add products as well to the categories. And once when you click on the journal, all the product details is going to be shown. Alright, so yes, also this was user@example.com, right? Even he had placed one return request. So these are all the return history that is available. So the recent return request that was placed was MacBook, and it's still in pending mode. As far as I remember, that admin actually rejected Sam's return request. So let me just take you to that user account and let's just see if that return request is updated. Let me just go to returns. Yes, it is updated. So computer science notebook was rejected. So yes, this is how our application is working. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you.